Boas are constricting snakes. They squeeze their prey until their victim's blood stops flowing. With their enormous coils, Titanoboa could squeeze the life out of exceptionally large prey. There's always something exhilarating about being able to see an animal once only known from fragments of fossils alive in its entirety. But Titanoboa turns that feeling into a heart-pounding thrill. Guest reactions to Tiktaalik seem to be split somewhere between familial affection and blame for bringing us onto land. Some of the staff have taken to calling Tiktaalik Grandma and Grandpa. But I don't know. I find it really strange. My grandmother certainly never swam circles in excitement over an anchovy. The name Mononykus is a good one. It means one claw. These dinosaurs used their specialised hands to pursue insects hiding in mounds or logs, but they aren't very useful for anything else. I don't think I'll ever see a Mononykus dribble a basketball. Simosuchus. Let us get a good look at that adorable snub nose. I like to imagine that Simosuchus is what an alligator would look like if we bred them to look like pugs. I can't shake the feeling that they'd make incredible pets, even though I know they'd be terrible at fetch. It's the prehistoric armadillo, Peltephilus. Many paleo enthusiasts would recognise the much larger prehistoric armadillo, Diictodon, for its large domed shell and spiky tail. Little Peltephilus, with its stylishly horned nose, is sadly often overlooked. The boomerang head is Diplocaulus, an amphibian from the Paleozoic era. To me, I think they look rather like tiny dragons. Although boomerangs are known for their ability to go there and back again, like a beloved children's novel, I don't think we'll ever have to worry about Diplocaulus deciding to destroy any dwarfen kingdoms anytime soon. After all, they only grow about a metre long and are simply too wet to breathe fire. But they do seem to enjoy hoarding shiny rocks, however. Is it charming? Is it peculiar? Personally, I consider Yi charming because it is peculiar. Among all of their strange traits, members of its family have extremely long third fingers. Until we'd seen Yi in action, many paleontologists thought that they used their fingers to dig bugs out of wood, like an aye from Madagascar does today. Compsognathus may be tiny, but it's anything but compact. This dinosaur is known for its long, flexible spinal column, which provides it with excellent balance, rather like a cat. Despite its slender, graceful body, in all known fossils of Compsognathus, the spine is curved and stiff in what paleontologists call the death pose. Sounds grim, doesn't it? I'd argue that Diictodon is one of the most famous of the Dicynodonts, a little-known group of prehistoric mammal relatives. Just like mammals, Diictodon was long thought to be warm-blooded. Imagine our delight when the first ones to hatch were as warm and cuddly as we'd hoped. This handsome little fella is one of my personal favourites, the Microraptor. That beautiful iridescent colour of its feathers isn't actually pigment. It's a structural colour, which means that the structure of the feather itself reflects light in such a way that it's perceived as a colour. Hummingbirds do the same thing today. This is an Archaeopteryx. Its fossil was one of the most important scientific discoveries ever made. Not only was it the first feathered dinosaur found, but we now know its colours were mostly black and white, much like a magpie.